Anthropic's $300 million acquisition of Stainless, along with hiring of former OpenAI co-founder Karpathy, signals a definitive pivot from the model race to the infrastructure wars. With an upcoming IPO and a valuation approaching $900 billion, Anthropic is utilizing its capital influx to deepen its integration layer to control how AI agents actually function in production. To understand why this is a power play, let's see the problem Stainless is solving. If a company wants 10 different AI models to interact with 10 different enterprise tools like Slack or HubSpot, developers must manually build and maintain 100 custom plugs called SDKs or software development kits. Every time an API changes or a model is updated, these 100 connectors have to be rewritten. This compounding debt is so severe that even OpenAI reportedly abandoned its internal efforts to manage it years ago. Anthropic is breaking this with the Model Context Protocol, also named as MCP, a standardized interface that acts as the universal port for AI. Instead of 100 custom plugs, MCP allows a single data connector to work across any AI client. Stainless is the high-performance compiler that automates this entire process. Founded by Alex Raderay, the engineer who built Stripe's patented SDK system, the company was named after stainless steel pipes, with the vision of becoming a high-end plumbing supply shop for the internet. Stainless takes a single API blueprint and instantly generates production-ready code for languages like Python, TypeScript, and Go, effectively turning manual labor into an automated assembly line. For Anthropic, this is the AWS playbook reimagined for the agentic era. AWS did not dominate cloud computing through better servers alone. They won by owning the integrated services that made it too painful for a developer to leave. Anthropic is building the same infrastructure moat, betting that the developer experience is the only defensible advantage as model intelligence begins to converge. But there's a huge platform risk for the rest of the industry. Stainless currently generates the official SDKs for OpenAI, Google, Meta, and Cloudflare. Now that Anthropic owns the factory, they're winding down the hosted platform on September 1st, 2026. This forces rivals to either rebuild their entire toolchain or accept a velocity lag, while Anthropic sets the pace for that standard. By adding visionaries like Karpathy to this infrastructure team, they're consolidating the minds that define the modern AI stack to build what they call fiduciary-grade agents, autonomous systems capable of high-stakes work like banking and legal. And now as tooling becomes a new moat, Anthropic is moving beyond being a model vendor to becoming the central utility of the AI ecosystem.